Hey, Teo here. Today is February 28, 2026, last day of the February, and I had a small wreck with my DJI Neo drone, the original Neo. So I just want to make this video. I just got it back from DJI, and I just wanted to unbox this DJI Care Refresh box and just to see what's the status of the DJI Care Refresh in February 28, 2026. With all the efforts of the US government, I'm glad DJI is still doing business here in the United States, and I'm glad they still honor their promise on DJI Care Refresh that I purchased when I originally bought my drone. So let's go ahead and open this box that I just got it from FedEx. Let's see what they did with my damaged drone. I sent them in my drone, a single battery, camera cover, and my RC2 controller because that's how the accident occurred. And let's see if they send it back. This looks great. They sent me a brand new battery. And looks like they sent back my controller. Okay, they sent me a product guide card for camera drones, guide card, unbox checklist, linking settings, all the good stuff. They simply offered me two options when I sent in my drone, and everything went through super smooth and fast. They said they can repair it, they can repair the airframe, they can replace it and all that. They said it's gonna cost me $117 plus tax. Or they said, if you want to take advantage of your DJI Care Refresh Plan, which I bought it for 2 years, it was like a $38. They said we can replace the drone for only $17 extra plus tax. The whole thing came, they simply sent me a brand new drone for $19 with tax. And I must have accidentally sent in my ND filter, so they sent it back to me, which is super cool, I think. Here's a drone. Brand new, never been opened, just a drone, obviously. And again, I sent in a used battery, and they sent me a brand new battery as well. And let's check out my RC2 controller to see if they did anything. I'm glad my RC2 was okay because they said they're gonna check out the RC2 and they're gonna replace it. Oh wow. So for $17, I got a brand new drone, a brand new battery. It looks like they replaced it with a remanufactured version, or they just put a new cover on mine and send it back to me. This is very, very cool. So let's go ahead and get this out. They basically sent a camera drones guide card. Again, they put in my ND filter in this little Ziploc case, which is super cool. I'm really happy they didn't just toss it away. They could have done it because I don't remember sending it to them. I was so upset about crashing my drone. And here's my brand new battery. So happy about that. Kind of like an unboxing of a original DJI Neo video. Oh yeah, got myself a brand new DJI Neo. Here it is, completely brand new DJI Neo. Mine had a damage right under the propellers. I was just flying and all of a sudden, flying with the RC2, and I've been flying this over a year, and I'm an experienced Part 107 pilot, and it's just RC2 and this lost connection. This one acted like it has its own brain or something. It's just all of a sudden sped up and crashed into a traffic sign, which is crazy. The whole thing happened like 100 feet down the road from me. Okay, I'm so happy that I got this. And let's open the battery. Super cute. Yep. I got myself a battery. When I purchased this, I bought the Fly More combo. Only additional thing I purchased was the 2 years DJI Care Refresh. I'm so glad I bought that. Yep, here's the battery, original battery for the Neo. Very cool. I mean, these are not expensive, but it's still nice. They stand behind their promise, you know. Very, very nice. So happy about all this. And let's go ahead and check this out. I'm really curious. This is super cool. Wow. Very impressed. You know, technically they didn't send me a new remote. This is my remote. Because how I know, I had a screen protector and this edge had a little bit of a bubble in there, and that bubble is still there. They simply sent this back to me, but they did a complete software overhaul or something, because they're saying I have to bind it to my account again. But they just put this little cover on it, which is cool. I'm really happy because my RC2 was working just fine. So I just want to make this video to let those of you out there who's kind of worried about, oh my God, DJI has been banned in the United States. What's going to happen with my DJI Care Refresh Plan? Apparently it works for the current products that they've been selling in the United States. I'm not sure this will work for the DJI Neo 2. I have one of those too, but obviously I bought it off of Amazon and they didn't even offer me when I was binding it to my RC2, when I was activating it, they didn't even offer me like they normally would, that if I wanted to buy the DJI Care Refresh Plan for that drone. So I'm assuming that's not working over here in the United States, unfortunately. Hopefully down the road, our politicians will get smarter and bring DJI back to the United States. I'm very bummed about that. I just wanted to let you guys know. I know this is a coffee channel and everything, but occasionally, as you know, I kind of share the electronics and things like that I buy for my channel, cameras, gimbals, drones, whatnot. I just want to share this with you and make a small video. So if you like this video, please go ahead and like and share. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd like to invite you to come on over and check out my videos. Maybe you guys will like one of those coffee videos. If you're into coffee, please go ahead and subscribe. We would love to have you guys' take. In my channel, I simply give you guys what I know, how I do it. And I love hearing back from you guys, how you guys do it. So please go ahead and subscribe. We would love to have you. Again, thank you so much for watching my video. I'll see you on the next TEO'S Take video. Have yourselves a delicious day.